So that's all the edges have all been routed, all been radiused off to make the edges just that little bit softer. It obviously needs a sand down and it still needs to be finished, but there's also a couple of voids which have opened up in the ply, which will obviously need to be filled with I don't know, something like P40 probably, an epoxy filler, before I coat it with an epoxy resin. So I shall keep you informed as it progresses. Okay, bye. I've routed and sanded off all the edges of the new Airdeck keel board. As you can see, the centre spine sits nicely along the sausage keel, which is the whole idea of it, is to keep that keel down. I'll fit the Airdeck, then I'll fully inflate it, check underneath to make sure that there's no bulges in the hull before I dismantle everything, and apply epoxy resin. Okay, so everything's now fully inflated, the deck and the keel fully up to pressure. I'm very happy with the way that the deck's sitting. It actually appears to me to be slightly flatter than it was with the original keel boards. If I lift up Redneck, you can see, well actually I don't know if you can see, there's no bulges where the keel board meets the hull and the tubes. Yeah, everything's good. The next thing is now obviously to epoxy the keel board. I'll post another video after I've epoxied it, and then I'll post a video when I try it out on the water, which will hopefully be in the next couple of weeks.